welcome to the channel. My name is John and you are watching Tech Talk. So the Z Fold 3 starts shipping this week. You've probably seen hundreds or maybe thousands of videos about the Z Fold 3, so this is not new to you guys and you probably already know every detail about the new device. But if you are just like me, the wait is almost over for you. If you pre-order your Z Fold 3 when Samsung made the announcement, there's a big chance that you probably already received your Z Fold 3 or is en route to your house this week. I received my shipping information just a few days ago from Samsung, and lucky me guys, I got the Z Fold 3 with me today and I want to share my first impression with you, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Welcome back to the channel guys. If this is your first time on this channel, you are watching Tech Talk. Tech Talk is a channel where I share my personal opinion with you on some of the latest tech almost every week. So let's get to the good stuff today guys. I've got the Z Fold 3 and I'm ready to open that box to share with you my initial impressions of the phone guys. Okay, been using the Galaxy S20 Ultra for some time now. I think it's time to finally upgrade to a new phone. So Samsung got my full attention with the Z3 doing the announcement, and I pre-ordered the phone the day it was announced. I think I got a pretty good deal, so I got to send my S20 Ultra to Samsung and I get to save a few $100. So I'm going to share with you my initial impressions on 4 key things that's always impress me, that always make some impression on me every time I get a new phone. So to me, the packaging, the build quality, how the phone feels, and the initial user experience once you turn the phone on. So let me start with the packaging guys. I have to say this, when it comes to the packaging, Samsung knows how to make a good initial impression. So, and if you spend so much money on the new phone, you want the packaging to represent the quality that you expect that's inside the box. Okay, to me the box is very impressive right now, and once again Samsung has done it, and that built a lot of excitement now for me to open the box and see what's inside. Okay, I've been waiting to hold this phone for weeks. Now I am finally here. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 make a big statement. This is one of the best phone from Samsung right now. It is one of the most expensive phone from Samsung. Now I have to let you know guys, holding this phone feels different. Right, it's not light but it's not super heavy either. Right, so you can feel the difference. I'm coming from a Galaxy S20 Ultra. The S20 Ultra is already heavy, but I can feel the slight difference holding both phones. So to be honest, some of you might not like the weight even when it's not that bad, but I'll say this, if you are thinking about buying a new foldable phone, you have to expect it to be heavy. So let's talk about the build quality. I think the build quality is premium right here guys. The material feels very good in my hand. It's not slippery, it's very solid. There's no plastic here. So I'm holding metal, and a strong metal too. All right, so you got some Gorilla Glass here guys, and like I said, this is premium built for a premium phone. All right, let's turn the phone on and see the beautiful screen. OLED screen is the norm for Samsung, and what you have here with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is one of the best OLED screen from Samsung, if not the best OLED screen on any phone out there right now. So for my initial impression guys, I am very happy with what I'm seeing. The user experience is good right now guys. Flipping to the menu feels very good, very fast. You can feel the big difference between this one and the S20 Ultra that I've been using. This is a very fast phone, quick to connect, and I am extremely happy with what I'm seeing right now guys. Like I said, the packaging look good, holding the phone feels comfortable, and the screen is so beautiful. It's a gorgeous screen. I will definitely spend more time with the phone, and I will have another video soon to talk about the good or maybe the bad about this phone. If you like topic like this, guys, you can hit the subscribe button, come back, take care of yourself, and I will see you guys soon for my next video. Thanks for watching.